welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So here in this video we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis and also some of the short-term stocks that I'm gonna suggest you for this upcoming 2 to 3 weeks, and also I'm going to explain the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart analysis for 16th May to 20 May, which is the upcoming week. So first of all, let's get into the video and let's open Nifty 50 chart. So we all know that we maintain a time frame of 1 hour, and so you can see here that this is the time frame of 1 hour. So from past April, you can see there was a downtrend has been going on from 18,000 to right now 15,700, which is nearly 2,300 to 2,200 points, which is a huge loss for Nifty 50. So right now my direction I'm gonna suggest you is it's also like of kind of downtrend. So the reason is also I'm gonna tell you that just follow the market. So follow the trend is your friend. There were two quotations like trend is your friend, right? So when it is downtrend, you should have to follow the trend, then you can make profit. When you go against it, you can make it, right? So clearly you can see the values over here. So if you get a double red confirmation like over here below the level of 15,700, then you can sell the Nifty 50 over that range and you can keep a target of 15,400. So maximum high chances of Nifty 50 to go down, but if you get a green confirmation on Monday over here, then you can buy it and you can keep a target of over here, which is gonna be huge, but chances are pretty low. 30:60 downtrend. Downtrend we have 60 to 70%, and uptrend we have 30 to 35% chances that they are gonna trigger. So if a double green red confirmation occurs in 1 hour time frame, then you can buy over here. So you can set the target to up to 16,368, and then you can set a stop loss of over here. So these are the prices I'm gonna suggest you for buying of a double red confirmation. So if it doesn't give you a double green confirmation and gives you a red confirmation, or just go into a sideways market, if it also went to a sideways market, sell it, you can make profit. So if it gives a red confirmation over here, so you can keep a target would be minimum, and the stop loss is also you can keep a minimum stop loss. Risk reward is 1:2, which is kind of good. You can make a little bit of profit, and so the chances are also damn high for this downtrend. So these are the levels. Sell at 15,700, stop loss is at 15,800, target is at 15,422, so which is huge. But also if you get a red confirmation over this level, which crosses this level, below this level 15,436, then you can also go short it again to 15,000 level, I can tell you absolutely. So then your risk reward goes to 1:6, which is pretty damn high. So these are the price levels for Nifty 50. So going to the Bank Nifty analysis. So Bank Nifty is also same like Nifty 50, but it's been loading. Okay, yeah. So you can see it was in a pretty sideways range, and then again it went to a downtrend. So that's why I suggested you Nifty to sell when it is also go to downtrend. So right now we have here double red confirmation, so people can sell. I think people have sold. I'm also thinking about a downtrend also. So here you can sell it and you can keep a stop loss over here, and you can keep a target over here. This is a low risk reward, but chances are that you can be profitable. So if not, you can keep this is also one level. Sell at 33,000, stop loss 33,600, target 32,359. So the second target is going to be huge if you get a double red confirmation over here, this level also. So you can keep a target of huge 30,000, which is 3,000 plus points, which is next level profits, like 1:4.7 risk reward. So this is the one case that if it goes at red confirmation downtrend. So what if it gives a green confirmation over here? So here if you get a green confirmation over here, I say to you to buy it. So you can keep the levels over here. buy at 32,530, target at 34,000, stop loss is at 32,000, so which is good. And there is also another possibility that if Monday there was not a red confirmation and it doesn't go to over here, but what if it gets a green candle? So you can clearly see that over this level, this is a middle range, so this is the resistance, this is the support. So buy at support level, sell at resistance level. So if you don't want to take risk, you can go with like this. If people who have made the risk, you can hold for it, so chances are for downtrend. So people who do not taken the risk, they can wait for it. So if you get a green confirmation over here and there was a like over here and a red candle confirmation, then you can have a target of here. Stop loss is same 34,400, selling it 34,000, target is at 32,300, and the target 2 is going to be huge, which is 30,458. risk reward is 1:10. See the risk reward 1000 plus points, 1:10 risk reward, which is way too high. So that's the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for this upcoming week. So going to the short term stocks, the first one is Hindustan Unilever. So this is a good fundamental stock, which is also present in Nifty 50. So I am just explaining, I just tell you the range of buying and stop loss and target. I am not gonna explain you the patterns or like that, it's gonna kill time. So this is a ascending triangle pattern. So if a green double confirmation occurs outside this level, so the buying price would be 2197, stop loss would be 2094, and the target is at 2424. See, note the levels correctly. And going to the Sun Pharma, yeah, this is also Nifty 50. These four short-term stocks that I am suggesting you is all from Nifty 50. So you can clearly see this is a channel pattern. You can see the support levels, resistance, the profit can be made, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here. So that's the simple strategy. So you can buy at 869 and 869 above level over like this, and you can keep a target 980, and you can keep a stop loss of 842. So that's how this all goes. So these are the levels, note it down. And going to the third, Adani Ports, same Nifty 51. So as I told you, so this is like of support range. You can see the previous support ranges over here. From August, there was a support range consisting where the buyers are being present and not pushing the price below, they are pushing the price above. So and also it's made a triangle pattern, and there was a breakout, and there was a some recession, and maybe that's gonna trigger it now huge. So because it was a support level, we got a low stop loss and a huge target, so that's why I'm suggesting you this stock. So buy at 683, keep a stop loss of 647 and target of 859, which is minimum 1:5 or 6 risk reward ratio. And going to State Bank of India, SBI, 1 hour time frame. So same as the support levels, you can see from December 2022, January, February, March, April, May, there was a support level consistently growing from here. So the support level where you can buy, the buying range is 427 to 444. Stop loss you can keep at 415, and the target is huge at 536. So 1:2 risk reward ratio. So note the price levels accurately and correctly. So these are the 4 short-term stocks that I am going to suggest you. So go for it and buy it. And also I told you that I am going to make the videos on Hindi language, but due to language difference I can't. There was a mistakes rolling on, so that's why I'm making the video on English. So hope you liked it. So thank you.